But I don't know if Miss Cole is still present.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So
Let me call it. How about this? Let me call it.
Okay, sure.
The people versus John Rogers, ticket number 405-247, count one, sell furnished alcohol to a minor, and ticket number U62056221. Count one, operate in the city of Detroit without business license, that being a bar. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with the people.
May it please the court, Paula Cole on behalf of the people.
And Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Officer Elliott, can you say your name, sir?
Yes, Officer Elliott Glenn, badge number 1346, Detroit Police Department.
Okay. And Mr. Rogers, can you unmute yourself, state your name?
Sean Rogers.
This matter is set for trial. Ms. Cole has indicated off the record that she is requesting an adjournment. She's requesting a 2-week adjournment. It's not gonna be 2 weeks. That's actually gonna be till September 13th. But she is requesting that adjournment to notify witnesses, that additional witnesses that aren't present for the hearing, for the trial rather. Is that correct, Ms. Cole?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Werbling, any response?
Judge, we know it's in your discretion, Your Honor, if you find good cause.
I do. So the court is going to grant Ms. Cole's adjournment, and we are going to set this for September 13th at 9 o'clock. Was there anything further on behalf of any of the parties?
And Judge, just pursuant to MCR 408, so this is not an admission of guilt, but we don't know if the state would be willing to offer a delayed sentence or maybe even HIDA, because I believe my client's eligible. But that's all we wanted to place on the record.
Oh, okay. I will speak with the officer about that.
Thanks, Ms. Cole.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Okay, you guys are all set. Officer Elliott, did you get that next date, September 13th at 9 o'clock?
Yes, I did, Your Honor. Did you want me to go to a breakout room with Ms. Cole?
Yes,
Ms.
could we
Cole?
for a minute?
Yeah, sure.
Thank
In
you.
fact, you guys can rejoin breakout room number 3.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, Your Honor.
You too. Thank you, sir.
Current iPhone.
I'm gonna find out right now. His audio. Okay, Mr. Gross, we are about to. Okay.
Mr. Werbling, you have recommendations on Jaden and Rucker, right?
Let me see. Let's see what we have here.
Gave it to you verbally.
Oh, so for Edward Rucker, I didn't write that. I didn't hear that one. Sorry, Mr. Lewis.
Case ending in 81572.
Yeah.
As charged.
Okay.
Case ending in 8157. Count 1 and 3.
Yeah.
Dismiss.
Okay.
And case ending in 4461. Dismiss.
Okay.
And on JD Burden, dismissed without prejudice, case ending in 48961.
Okay.
Civil infraction order defaulted.
Okay.
That's 8851 203 123.
Okay. What was that defendant's name?
That was Dorden, DURDEN, JD.
Oh, JD Dordan. Okay, gotcha. All right.
And I think that's it.
All right.
Okay. So would Durden be pleading to anything then, or no?
Well, those last two that you hadn't talked to yet.
Right. There was a dismissal on Durden. Was he pleading to the no license or no?
I don't know if he had it or not, license or what.
Okay, I'll go talk to him. And Rucker, do we know what room he's in? Durden,
Yo, Welker,
Rucker's in room 9,
9. Gotcha. Thanks.
and Maria Riddle is in room 10,
Okay. Thanks.
and the officer is here on that case.
Okay.
To trial. All right, Mr. Rogers, you're all set, sir. Did you have any other questions? You're all set.
No, I just want to reconfirm September 13th, 9 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Have a good one.
You're welcome. Good luck. All right, Mr. Dorsey, turn your video on, unmute yourself. This is the people versus Derek Dorsey, ticket number Z808242. Count. Oh, we're here for actually for a sentencing. Mr. Dorsey, can you unmute yourself? Turn your video on. I wonder if he's here. He might have stepped away from his phone. Mr. Dorsey? Do you have a phone number for him, Mr. Groves? Did you want to call him maybe, or?
I do. I just notified our office they're going to, because he's actually physically present in our office. So I just,
Oh, okay. Okay. All right,
Leave that on
we're
it.
here for it. Okay,
Okay.
I'll call it again. This is the people versus Derek Dorsey, ticket
Okay.
number Z808242. We're here for a sentencing. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with attorney. And this is well, the count is operating with the high blood alcohol content. State your names for the record, starting with attorney Gross.
good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, your staff. Robert Gross, PA2012. I am standing in place of attorney of record Todd Russell Perkins on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Dorsey, can you state your name?
Derek Dorsey. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, we are here for sentencing. The court is in receipt of a summary of substance abuse assessment report. Mr. Gross, you've had an opportunity to review this report.
Yes, and I've discussed that with attorney of record, and we are comfortable with its findings.
Oh. Any additional argument as to sentencing?
We would just ask that the court honor the sentencing agreement that was worked out. I don't think there's any objection.
Mr. Dorsey, was there anything you wanted to say, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court is going to order, basically adopt the recommendation of the probation department. The court is going to order that you are sentenced to a 12-month term of probation with the following conditions. Shall not use or possess any illicit controlled substances, marijuana, THC products without a valid medical marijuana card, or alcohol, so no alcohol. Submit to random drug and alcohol ETG testing twice per month. Complete alcohol highway safety education level 1. Complete the Mothers Against Drunk Driving Victims Impact Panel. Pay all assessed court costs, fines, fees, and assessments at $35 per month probation supervision fee and a $100 substance abuse evaluation fee. And that is what the court is going to order. I don't think it indicates when if they'd like to come back earlier than the 12-month date, but we'll just set it for a 12-month date. One moment. We'll do July 14th at 8:35. Did you have any questions, Mr. Dorsey?
The day is July the 15th, Your Honor.
I know. So it's going to be July 14th, 2023.
Okay.
Did I say that? Did I say 2022? I'm sorry. So my bad.
Okay.
2023, sir.
Okay, thank you. No
Okay,
question.
that's the question.
No
Okay.
question, no question.
Okay, so you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You too, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Gross.